In this video, we'll demonstrate the steps to acquire that Meta-Verified badge for your Facebook profile. But before we dive in, I invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn this, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. The Meta-Verified badge, enhanced account security, support, unique stickers, and the blue tick. If you're eager to get that blue tick on your Facebook account, you should follow these steps. First things first, open your Facebook app and navigate to your main profile. Once you're on your profile page, look for the icon that consists of 3 horizontal lines, typically found in the top right or left corner. Click on it to access the menu options. Within the menu, you'll spot the Meta Verified option. Click on it to proceed with the verification process. You'll now be presented with an interface that outlines the requirements for Meta Verification. Keep in mind that Meta Verification isn't available for businesses or individuals under the age of 18. If your Facebook account is for personal use and you're 18 years or older, you're eligible to pursue the Meta Verified badge. Once you meet these criteria, click on the Next button to move forward. As we progress through each step, I encourage you to join our channel as a member to support our content creation journey. Your support is what allows us to bring you high-quality videos like this one. On the following screen, you'll be prompted to select the profile for which you want to obtain the Meta Verified badge. If you have multiple Facebook accounts, this is where you choose the relevant profile. Click on the profile you wish to verify and then click on Sign Up. After this step, you'll encounter an interface that mentions, "After payment, we will confirm your identity," which could take up to 14 hours. If you are unable to confirm your identity, we will refund your payment. This is also where you'll find information about the benefits you'll receive with your subscription. To proceed, click on Pay to get benefits. Please keep in mind that you may face a payment failure if you haven't linked a payment method to your Facebook account. Therefore, ensure you've attached a payment method to your account before attempting to obtain the Meta Verified badge on your Facebook profile. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. You can find more tutorials and resources at our website, MediaMagnetGuide.com. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials and tips coming your way.